prayer by a teen about to begin a new school year. Abba, Father, you are wonderful and merciful and full of grace. I thank you that you have provided the money and other resources necessary for me to go to school again this school year. I thank you that you have given me the strength and the will to continue my education. I know that there are many other teenagers who are struggling right now, and so I do not take your gracious blessings on my family and me for granted. Please help me to use this opportunity wisely. Please remind me that someone has made a sacrifice for me to be here. Please help me to make you and my family proud. By your will, please help me to participate fully wherever there is an opportunity to lay down a path for my future. Please cause me to be an example to my friends and classmates so that they may see that you are with me. Please help me to be a witness for you with how I behave both in and out of my classes. Please help me to enjoy my classes and to learn whatever there is to be learned from each of them. Please remove time wasters and bad company from my life so that I can concentrate on doing well. Lord, please help my friends and other classmates to focus as they should and bless them with the resources that they need so that at the end of this year, our school can say that they were amazed by the way that we as a grade have represented the school by performing well both in and out of classes. These things I pray in Jesus' precious name. Amen.